Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am so excited. You can see what I have right here, right? Guys, literally this box should have bit me like a rattlesnake, okay? This whole kit, I kept thinking in the back of my head, where's my box? Where's my box of stuff? Of, you know, little bits and pieces that I bought to do a scrapbook like 20 years ago. Where's that box of those little flowers, little things? And I couldn't find it. Guys, it should have bit me. If it was a snake, it should have bit me. It was an unlabeled photo box, and I'm going to show it to you because I just found it. Here at the very, 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 very end, I find it. So let's go over this kit. Oh, I don't even have the whiteboard, right? So let's do this. This is video number 34 because I was like so over the moon. So this is December 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 34. I was so excited. I was like, yay! So, okay. This kit was called Notes from the Heart. You got to make 9 cards. 3 this one, 3 this one, 3 this one, and you got 9 mossy metal envelopes and 9 sticker labels. My last 2 videos will be using my last 2 sticker labels. This QR code would lead you to a video to show you how to put the kit together as it is designed, and then the coordinating colors. The Mary tags and more coordinated with October, November, and December, and this QR code would show you how to get there. Now we're moving on. So this is what the stamp set looked like. There were no images, just a note. Happy birthday, best of luck, lots of love, get well soon, hello, congrats, and thank you. I did not use congrats, and it's just because it doesn't suit me. So this is what the new set of 3 dies looks like. They're called Spring is in the Air, and I did do video using these 3, and this is the Mary tags and more. So I'm going to set those aside because I'm so over the moon. So I'm calling this Stash in Stuff because I got to show you the box. So this is my photo storage box, right? You see it has no label, and I was certain that I looked through this box. I was certain of it, and just for kicks I'm like, you might as well, okay? And I probably did look in the box, but let me show you what was on top of the box. This is what was laying on top. So if I did look in this box, this is what I saw, and I didn't see all of the goodies that was in the box. Do you see all these flowers that could have gone with this kit? Seriously, I was like, what was I doing? So yeah, I was like, I knew I'd had them somewhere in this room, but I couldn't find them until now. So we are using a note card and envelope for these last 2 videos. So these measure 4 7/8 by 7. Don't ask me why they're not 5 by 7. This is just what they measure. And they're scored at 3.5. They're white. They're pre-made. Guys, I got them they were on like 30% off. Great deal. So I'm going to keep buying these. Layer number 1, I'm going to cut it down. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to cover the entire thing or leave a little white. I'm going to figure that out in a second. I'm going to be using the sticker label, and then I'm calling it Stash Stuff because that's what it is. And look how cute this is. So I have these little gardening gloves, this little flower pot, these 2 little flower pots, this little spade shovel, and a little bow. We're going to put just a note on here, and lickety split we're going to have a card, but we're not going to just leave that. We're going to bring in some Calypso coral for the sentiment, just a note. And Daffodil Delight, I'm going to bring back that old sanded one that I got at the thrift store. I took it out of that plastic container because I have these sitting in one of those photo boxes like this. They're sitting like this in there so I can see them. So let's get to it. These last 2 cards shouldn't take hardly any time at all. And these are going to air on the same day. I'm kind of airing 2 at a time. I'm a little concerned. Depending on when Paper Pumpkin comes, I'm going to be quite honest with you, depending on what the Paper Pumpkin kit is. I know it's a Valentine's kit, but I know that there's probably going to be a break in my paper pumpkin kits depending on my recovery. So let's see. This, we're going to go, it is 4 7/8 by 3.5. So this is 3.5, which it will do. If you want to cut the back of your envelope to 3.5, you can cover the whole thing. I am going to leave some white. So I'm going to take it 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch off of that to 3 1/4. And then since it's 4 7/8, which is right here, I need to go back 1/4 inch. So I'm going to go, I'm trying to figure out, do I want to go take, I want to take a little bit off of this side, just because this is the back of the envelope. So now I'm going to put it at 4 7/8, and I'm going to move it back 1/8 inch and back another 1/8 inch, and that's at 4 5/8. I won't be using these because we're at the end now, so I still have, all of it got cut off here, and there's just a little bit there. I mean, if I wanted to, I could. Oh, it's going to come right off. Ugh. Could put it on the guillotine and probably give it a nice shave and a haircut there. There we go. Oh, let's try that again. There. All right, so we're going to have just a tiny white border around it like that. Going to glue this down. And then does sincere, I can do thinking of you. I've been using that one, so we'll probably stick with that. Simple, simple. This is just using stuff from my stash. Stickers from the dollar store would be cute. Let me show you what I do have in my box, because I thought about it. Oh, that should go up a wee bit more. Okay. Look at how cute these would have been. So this, the little shovel, the little hat, and the little apron. This would have been cute on a big card in the little apple basket. So, you know, these are things I think that are similar to what I'm using. All right. Where's my little goodies? Well, there's my goodies, but now we are going to stamp on this. And I'm going to reach into the recycle bin and pull out my Old Faithful, right? I'm at the end. I'm going to still use it. We're going to get that Daffodil Delight. Why? Because I think it's going to go nicely. And on our card bases, this is just kind of recreating that look. It had that little bit of like splattered paint that was in Daffodil Delight. So, and there's a little flower here that has some yellow on it. Oh, might help if it's locked. This is the old pad, so it's a cloth pad. I can do the stamp and twist. Now, I don't need to ink up the entire thing. Just half of it will do. So I'm going to stick this on here, full strength. Look at that. Oh, that might be a little too dark. Ooh. Well, live and learn, right? It's going to work. It's going to work for me. I'm going to make it work. I think we'll put that darker spot down here. Maybe when it's off there, it's going to look better now. In the center. Yeah, I should have done it lighter. Okay, that's going to work. Inky, inky, inky. Let's just tap some of that off a bit. All right, so here we go. Because this is going to go here. See that? We're going to put those together. So I'm going to add a little glue here. I'm going to slide my little flower pot on there like so. darn these things. All right, so now I need just a little bit of like cardstock. There's not going to be any trash bits for this one, guys, sorry. Why? Because I'm trying to get stuff done. Sorry, no trash bits. So I'm going to add a couple of little layers of cardstock to try to balance out that, because this is thinner than our dimensionals. Let's add another little bit in there. May not be perfect, but it'll be closer than it was. Oh, I don't know why I needed glue there. So we're gonna, maybe we'll put the spade going this way. Yes, I think so. So we're gonna bring that over there. And now my spade is gonna come up this way. Where's my bow gonna go? Oh, my bow can go in the center. I wanted the bow. Yeah, we can still put the bow there. I liked the bow on the end of the flower pot. Don't ask me why, I just did. I could make it look like it's in the flower pot, maybe. That's kind of cute, huh? I do like that. That's kind of cute. Okay, we're gonna put this on the flower pot. I really like that. This, of course, is going to go up in the corner. So right there, and we're going to use Calypso Coral. We're going to pop just a note. Calypso Coral, where'd you go? Might need to, just trying to bend that a little that way. Yeah, I really think that's going to go there, but we're going to wait to put it there until oh, yeah, this is one of those pads I need to scrape off. I got a little fleck of icky stuff. I need a new Calypso Coral pad, but that will wait. I think I scraped it last time and it still sufficed, so I will have to do that again. So we're going to pop just a note about right there. Yes! I think Calypso Coral goes well with the bow and our little gloves here. Isn't that cute? And where's my little shovel? Did I lose it again? Oh no, come on. There we go. Little shovel time. We're gonna put our little shovel right there. Or do we want to do it like that? No, I like it with the handle going the other direction. And these guys were just floating around in my little box waiting for the opportunity to be used. So it kind of looks like it's sticking in there. Isn't that a cute little card? Oh, yes, I love it. I love it. Just a note. And then on the inside, thinking of you in Calypso Coral. Sincere salutations. Oh, that's sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm looking for my envelope. Give me a second here. Somewhere. And what do you think we're going to put on here? We could do thank you, but we're going to do a hello. Of course, we're going to do the hello. Just right there. That's it. So that's how quick and easy this one is. Just a note. Thinking of you. Oh, just love it. So we do need to wink Estella this. That has all, ooh, 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 ooh. Stickles. See how sparkly that is? This needs to sparkle and shine. Yes, and I have the white stickles. So let's do the white stickles. The clear stickles should make it work. Hank this morning, guys, it's so funny. So I said, Hank, it is Wednesday, and today you ride the bus. And he was like, but Manji. And I said, no buts. Wednesday, bus day. He's like, but. And I said, nope. And so as he's leaving, he's like, oh, Manji, I'll see you at the flagpole after school. And I said, oh, no, Hank, I'll see you when you get off the bus at the house. And he started chuckling. Like, you stinky winky little boy. No, you are riding the bus today. Kid, I'm telling you, some days. Oh, that really makes it. We can go ahead and put a little sparkle right here, there, and a little bit right there. That is going to do it. Glitter and glue. Mine's, you know, loved doing things with glitter and glue as a child. So there we go. And I really like that. So I hope you guys like this one. Just stuff from my stash that I found, making a cute little card. So next one, 35 coming up. Oh, can't wait. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.